In less than 12 hours, we are going to see something that is either going to make the crypto market or break it. I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what is happening. And what we can see is that on the charts, as I'm making this video, Dogecoin is pumping. The crypto market has been very green today. Despite the pullback we had last night, we are recovering right now. And this is getting exciting. So in less than 12 hours, we have the CPI data, ladies and gentlemen, in the entire world. Every trader, every market, every investor is sitting on the sidelines, buying in. They're selling. Everyone's about to make some very big moves, all based on what's going to be happening tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. And that is going to be December 13th, which is tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. I will guarantee that there's going to be a lot of volatility from now and until then, and there's going to be volatility hours after tomorrow's event at 8:30 a.m. There's going to be usually a peak of the market before CPI. That does happen sometimes around 7 a.m. to about 10 a.m. We're going to see a lot of crazy volatility in between that time. So let me explain to you exactly what this is. But if you want some more in great depth detail of what actually is happening and why the market is so dependent, every cryptocurrency is so dependent on what's happening tomorrow, watch my video that I made last night right after this video. Please watch it. I urge you. It is going to benefit you in many ways. So what's happening tomorrow is we have the CPI information. This, in layman's terms, is basically the information and data that is going to show inflation, the performance of inflation month over month and year over year, depending on how the information and data comes out, whether it comes at expectations or under expectations or above expectations, is going to have massive implications for the crypto market, which means that there's also going to be another massive event, probably even bigger, tomorrow, which is going to be the Fed meeting. This is when the Fed is going to be raising rates. They're going to be basing their decision off of what happens tomorrow morning, and this is going to be absolutely huge. So my speculation is that inflation is going to come down. We're probably going to get at expectations, or we are going to get under expectations for CPI. Now, the current expectations for CPI year over year is going to be 7.3%. The last month was 7.7. I mean, even if we came above expectations, inflation is still showing itself to come down rapidly. So even if we get at expectations or above expectations, we might even pump. But if we get under expectations, ladies and gentlemen, I am very confident that the market will pump greater than your imagination can even fathom. So that's what's happening tomorrow. Let's go ahead and take a look at the charts right now. So cryptocurrencies, according to our indicator here, our sniper algo and momentum indicator, we got a bunch of buy signals right here, and we are seeing, especially for Dogecoin, the momentum is starting to shift up. Dogecoin is starting to bounce up with a pretty big bounce, and this is getting exciting. Now, this bounce is probably going to continue through the night. I don't know, maybe it will, maybe it won't. But most importantly, if investors think that there's going to be a bullish outcome tomorrow, we are likely to see the continuance of what's happening right now, a pump, a little move up to the upside. And before CPI, if we pump all the way until CPI, we'll probably get a pretty decent dip. That's just what happens on CPI. But if the information comes under expectations, you are going to see the market go all the way down. Like, to give you an example for Dogecoin, let's just say Dogecoin comes up to this level at CPI at 8:30 a.m. At 8:30 a.m., Dogecoin will likely do this because of algorithms and bots trading at the time. You'll probably see a move like this and a move like this, and then it'll probably continue to rocket up. That happens pretty much every CPI. So, but if the information is very, very, very bullish, we might not get that dip like that. We probably will see something like this. Something like that. That's kind of my speculation for what's going to be happening tomorrow for every cryptocurrency in your portfolio. Now, make sure you are joining the Patreon right now so you can get access to these timely buy and sell alerts where you can follow all of my exact trades as a crypto day trader. We are making money every single week. The link is in my video description for that. Also, make sure you guys are using Algo Sniper Indicator. It is an indicator that I recently built after many years of trading experience and development. This is the best indicator out there. I've used every indicator out there. It will help you to understand when to buy and sell very, very easily, as it calls out the exact bottoms and tops of every market and every swing. The link for this is in my video description as well. And also, ladies and gentlemen, if you are trading cryptocurrency, you need to be using Bybit, where you can claim a $30,000 deposit bonus by just using the link in my video description. All you have to do is open an account and deposit cryptocurrency for the first time. If you are in the US, you will need to use a VPN. And one last thing, ladies and gentlemen, I have a crypto mentorship for 1 whole year in a crypto course. If you're interested in learning how to day trade to make money in cryptocurrency, I have a mastermind session where we meet once a week for an hour. I'm teaching you guys everything you need to know to make money in crypto. You can apply for that with the link in my video description. Now, if you got something out of this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on it. I will see you tomorrow.